Okay, so I'm not gonna turn into one of those film YouTubers, but I have two film cameras today. This is $10, this is $100, this is a 2.8, this is 3.5, but it also has a zoom. So today I'm gonna put in the same film in both cameras, and we're gonna see which camera gets the better results. Putting in portrait 160 today. Let's just take a tester photo. Locked and loaded, ready to go. Today I'm kind of revisiting like old places that I used to go when I was in Leeds. So I'm kind of two birds with one stone. Get to test my cameras out, see the difference, and also just see my old city. I'm gonna try this exact same composition with each camera and see how they turn out.
Vegan burger. You pretty.
It's tough to say if the sun's gonna hold out for us today. I kind of wanted some of this moody stuff to test how these cameras perform, but what I really want is some nice like harsh shadows. I wanted to take some photos here of people walking by. If you look over there and see those windows, acts as a really nice reflector. This exact spot, I've seen it before. I've missed my opportunity, I think, today. I'm gonna try anyway.
Such a creep, mate.
It wasn't meant to be, I'm gonna have to come back here.
Fucking shitting this weather.
I said, I'm gonna say till next time. But that would end it like I'm wrapping the video, but we're not wrapping the video. We got a lot more to do. Maybe this will give me better shots. We gotta find some sun now. I'm gonna do some like overcast photos only, I guess, and compare those. The flash started to fire. That's it for the day. It's time to leave Leeds. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed with some of the focus hitting on the Canon, which is a $100 camera. Obviously, it goes to show that the money isn't going to get you what you want. If you take a look at these photos here when I was about to leave to head back home, I know for a fact that I was locked in on my buddy Jack here when I shot with the Canon. It missed completely. Like, none of this photo's in focus. This photo, however, on the Nikon, it actually like hit really well. One thing I will add though is that I do feel that the Canon is a lot sharper when it does hit focus. These ones were just, I guess, also very disappointing. you can kind of see the difference is purely based on the scan. That's because when I was scanning, I actually just applied the same settings to both cameras. So it's pretty obvious that the Canon colors turn out a little bit more blue and low contrast, while the Nikon has a heavier contrast and is a lot warmer. You can see the difference in the scans, but there's really no difference between a $10 and $100 autofocus camera. I'm going to make a few more of these videos. I don't want to be a film YouTuber, but I do want to kind of go through my process and at least have a space where my film photos can sit, and that's going to be on YouTube. This was the Go Film Things Diaries episode 1. Subscribe and stick around.